welcome back to Cooking for Kids.
Today we're going to make cupcakes.
The ingredients you'll need today are sugar,
Butter,
eggs,
vanilla essence,
self-raising flour,
baking powder,
icing sugar,
and more butter. After you have preheated your oven at 180 degrees, we're going to add in 175 grams of butter into our bowl,
as well as 175 grams of sugar. Now crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Now add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add in your egg mixture. Now sieve in 175 grams of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Bake your cupcakes for around 12 to 15 minutes.
Whilst our cupcakes are cooking in the oven, we're now going to make our butter icing. For this, I'm going to add 190 grams of butter into our bowl,
as well as 380 grams of icing sugar. I'm going to sieve it into our bowl. Now that we have separated our butter icing into 2 separate bowls, we're going to dye it with 2 different colours. I'm using red.
and I'm going to use purple.
We're going to add a few drops at a time into our bowl, then stir it all together gently. Now we have prepped our piping bags and added in our butter icing, we're going to pipe on our cupcakes.
Thank you very much guys for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed. The recipe for the cupcakes will be below the video, as well as a link to our Instagram. If you want to follow us, feel free to do that.
And make sure to give a click on the subscribe button and smash the like button.
Anyways guys, we're going to tuck in.
See you
next time.